To edit cross-section area size and positions, you can use the Edit Table function. Simply change the values for left area width, right area width, area height, horizontal profile distance and vertical profile distance. If you change left and right area width and elevation, you will need to refresh the terrain as well. Let's use command assemble terrain line to create a new terrain using the TCS elements. Here we are using channel, dikes and embankments to create a new terrain. Now to add two additional rubrics containing the heights and distances of the secondary terrain, start the Edit Tables command again. Add two rows using the plus symbol and insert rubric names. Then you can also change the rubric height. You can also save table layout for later use. This will add two rows in each table below the cross sections. The secondary terrain was made using the Assemble Terrain Line command, so you have to export it to CRO file and then import it back using the Draw Cross Sections View command. In this point you could also select to insert the terrain from the layout drawing. Select the wrench icon to write the heights and distances to the appropriate rubrics.